I was always curious about working with lateral roots, specifically to see their potential for turning and what kind of grain pattern is hidden within. This fallen mulberry tree gave me the perfect chance to test it out. The tree was so massive that its lateral roots were large enough for this experiment, helping me decide if they are truly worth working with. After washing it down, the root sat in my basement for about 6 months. Initially, I thought I could use the entire length of the root. However, once I opened it up, I discovered a hollow hole running through its entire length, so the thinner part had to go into the fireplace. Mulberry is fantastic for wood turning. Even though the wood had dried out quite a bit, it was still very comfortable to work with. At some point, I realized I had to move away from a standard bowl shape. Those hollow holes would have stripped away at least half the final size if I had stuck to the original plan. I decided to keep the walls thick and embrace these natural flaws. After sharpening my tools, I sanded the piece inside and out, starting from 120 and finishing at 180 grit. There was no grain tear out at all. The surface turned out beautiful and felt incredibly smooth to the touch. To give the bowl its final look, I had to put in some serious work on the exterior with an angle grinder. The walnut oil was the perfect finishing touch to this experiment. I'm looking forward to your reaction. Your feedback will help me understand if this experiment was truly worth it.